Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Brilliant, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by opening your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in www.brilliant.org and press enter. Wait for the Brilliant homepage to load completely. Once the homepage appears, locate the login button at the top right corner of the screen. Click on the login button to proceed to the login page. Here, you will see fields for your email and password. If you already have an account, type your registered email address in the first field. Next, enter your password in the second field. Make sure your password is correct, as it is case sensitive. If you've forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link. Follow the prompts to reset your password via email. Once you have entered your login credentials, look for the Login button. Click on the Login button to access your account. If your credentials are correct, you will be directed to your Brilliant dashboard. In case of any issues, double-check your email and password for errors. If you encounter continued problems, consider clearing your browser's cache and cookies. Alternatively, try logging in using a different web browser or device. Once logged in, explore the features and courses available to you on Brilliant. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.